In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to save game in the Crew 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Like most modern games, you might be curious about how the Crew 2 saves your progress during gameplay. Well, first, the Crew 2 will automatically save your progress after key moments or significant actions, such as completing objectives, fast traveling, customizing your vehicle, or upgrading it. This save data is stored on Ubisoft servers tied to your account. Because of this, you cannot manually save your game in the Crew 2. So the answer to the question in the title of this video is that to save your game in the Crew 2, you don't have to do anything special. Just by playing and doing key actions, it is going to be saved automatically for you. The next time you log in, you will be able to find all of the new things that you have done in that play session. To my knowledge, you will not be able to save manually. Because of this, it also makes it more difficult to share your save for the Crew 2, so keep that in mind. So all that you have to do is keep playing and it is going to be saved automatically. If you switch accounts, your progress of course will be reset. So if you try using a different Ubisoft account that doesn't have any progress tied to it, you will then be able to start anew. So you won't be able to transfer your progress to friends by sharing specific files on your computer, and because of the fact that you cannot save manually, you just have to keep playing, and eventually your progress will be saved on your Ubisoft account. Make sure that you are signing into a proper Ubisoft account and you will be able to find everything, your vehicles, all of your upgrades, your friend lists, and so on. So you will be able to automatically save just by playing. The saves are cloud-based. I hope I was able to help you on how to save game in the Crew 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.